Hello. So I thought I'll take it a little bit further from the previous video that I made, titled as Me, Me, Me. Um, and My I Ching is what I've titled it. Yeah. So thereabout, that's the title. You'll at least find Me, Me, Me. Now, in this video, I'm going to cover a 5 layers of the basics. Yeah. So that's like Panchashatpeetha roopena. Now, this is from the Lalita Sahasranaama, and that's a reference to it. So, when we kind of look at my conscience, yeah, this about technology from 5 levels, and each level has 6 to it. Like when I say me, 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 each of the me has 6 levels to it. Yeah, 6 parts to it. So to repeat that, to repeat content from the previous video, and then to add the covered 5, basically, by 6. So what I mean by that is, so capital M, small I, capital I, capital M, capital I, starts from yours, you, I, mine, I, and then capital M, capital I. Yeah, that forms 1, 6, basics. Yeah. Big me, which is capital M, small a. Yeah. Starts from you, I, mine, I, my, yeah, and big me. Okay. That's also 6. Small me, yeah, starts from UI, yeah, mine, I, my, big me, small me. Yeah. Did I cover that? So, um, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So that's for me, me, me. Mine. Yeah. Or you can say N, nth. So we have N, nth, nth. Yeah. That's from mine. Yeah. Mine, I, my, big me, small me, N. Yeah. Like N, N. Okay. So that's like timers. You point to N. Yeah. So I for the inner done. Yeah. Like N. Now, O. Yeah. Is from I, my, big me, small me, N, and O. O is everything outside this. Yeah. So this N has 36 to it. Yeah. Outside also has 36 to it. Yeah. So it has some basics. And we'll meet all of these aspects when we are covering all of the what's contained in the 6, basics. So this is Pancha. So yours, you, UI, mine, I. Yeah. 5 layers of me, and then NO. Me, NO. So that's 5. So Pancha, Shatpeetha. So each of them have 6 layers to it. Shatpeetha, such 6 basics. Base is 6, and then 5. Yeah. Pancha, Shatpeetha, roopena. So shape of my body, 5 by 6. Yeah. So I'm hoping that Lalita Sahasranaama, at least you will maybe just go back to the Lalita Sahasranaama, there's a chanting of it, and maybe some of these names or the names there will make a little more sense in a more practical, applicable, livable way. Yeah. Thank you so much for listening. I hope this has been of value to you. Good day.